Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to talk about Microsoft AutoGen Framework. In our last video, we talked about what is Assistant Agent and how to implement Assistant Agent using AutoGen Framework. In this video, I am going to focus on middleware in AutoGen.NET. Middleware AutoGen.NET is a useful feature that lets you change how agent work. It's similar to the middleware concept in ASP.NET and it's often used for different tasks like you want handling function call within agent, converting different type of messages, collecting and processing user input, printing message in certain format. So those kind of scenarios you can use the middleware in AutoGen. The first point is very important. It's useful feature lets you change how agent works. So you can change the behavior of the agent also. You can take the decision whether this message has sent to the agent or not, or you want to custom message to the agent, that also you can do the customization. Let's start how to implement this feature in AutoGen Framework. In upcoming videos, we talk about more about in this feature. Let's move on to Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, I have created a new project called Middleware Demo, the same sample which used in the Assistant Agent. Here I am going to add the middleware concept. To add the middleware, first we have to register the middleware. So Assistant Agent dot register middleware. So this is a function we have to use to register our middleware. The first argument is a func argument. Here we have to pass our delegate function. The next argument is a middleware name. So I'm going to create the func delegate function. So here like private static return is a task message interface and the function name called as middleware handler. I enumerable argument again is a message interface and messages. The second argument is a generate replay option. Generate replay. The third argument is a agent. And finally, we have to pass a cancellation token. So here we have to return a wait agent dot generate replay async function. Here we have to pass a required argument messages and generate options. We have to pass a cancellation token. This is async function. I have to change async here. So this func delegate we have to pass it here. So middleware handler and name of the middleware like middleware handler sample. Just keep let middleware handler only. That's it. So rest everything same. If we run this application, it won't hit the middleware function. Let's see why. As I mentioned, it's generated the response correct, but it's not hit the middleware because once the registered the middleware, it returns a middleware agent. So we have to use this middleware agent, not our parent middleware agent. This middleware agent, we have to use it. Just replace it. Breakpoint still is there. I started the application again. The middleware function get hit. Here we can see the message. This message we are going to send to the agent. Here we can do the modification, how you want to process, whether you want to add some more information or you want to log the information. If you run the application and we get the response. There is another way also we can implement the middleware concept. So just go a little bit top here and I just comment this line. Here I use the interface directly, agent interface and new of assistant agent. We can use the builder pattern to register the middleware. Register the middleware and middleware func name middleware handler and name of the middleware. It's a middleware handler. And here also we can change the assistant agent. That's it. The rest of the code remains same. we start the application again, the middleware function get hit and we can run continuously. That's it. So this is a simple example how to use middleware in AutoGen framework. In upcoming videos we talk about more about in this concept.